In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom background, whether you're using a desktop, mobile device, or the web app. Let's dive right into it, starting with the Zoom desktop app, which is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux users. First, let's discuss how you can change your background before joining a Zoom meeting. To get started, open the Zoom desktop app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're properly logged in, look towards the top right corner of the app where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and select Settings. In the Settings menu, you need to look for the Backgrounds and Effects tab, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to changing your background. Here, you have several options. You can choose None if you prefer to keep your original, natural background. If you'd rather keep things more private or just add a touch of mystery, you can select Blur, which softly obscures everything behind you. Zoom also provides some default images and videos that you can select to instantly change up your look. If you have a more specific vision in mind, you can upload your own image or video by clicking the plus sign. Images need to be in JPG or PNG format, while videos should be in MP4 or MOV format. If it's your first time uploading a background, Zoom might prompt you to download a package that supports these background effects. This is especially important if you're not using a green screen. And speaking of green screens, if you have one, there's an option to enable I have a green screen within the same menu. This will enhance the clarity of your chosen background. Now let's discuss how to change your background during an ongoing meeting, in case you didn't get a chance to do it beforehand. While the meeting is in progress, you'll see the video controls at the bottom of the Zoom window. Look for the Start/Stop Video button. Next to it, there's a little upward-facing arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal more options. Select Adjust Background and Effects, and from here, you can pick a preset background or upload a new one right from your computer. The good news is that any changes you make will be applied instantly, so you can keep your meeting running smoothly without interruptions. And there you have it, a simple, comprehensive guide on how to change your Zoom background using the desktop app. Whether you're working from a home office, lounging in your living room, or on the go, these options help you customize your video calls to match not just your needs, but also your personality. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Zooming!